Hello you guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy shrimp and veggie stir fry. I call this the lazy girl stir fry because it's very quick and easy to make with simple ingredients. Let's get started. Alright you guys, I have my pan heating up over medium heat, but before we start cooking, we're going to make the sauce for the stir fry first. In this bowl, I have a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Into that, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and last we're adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm mixing everything together, then I'm going to set the sauce aside for later. Okay, so back to my pan. It's nice and hot. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil gets very hot, I'm adding in 1 pound of shrimp. And I'm using jumbo shrimp. Go ahead and season with salt and pepper to taste. We are cooking the shrimp for 2 or 3 minutes or until they turn pink. Make sure you don't overcook your shrimp, otherwise they're going to get very chewy. Once cooked, go ahead and remove from the pan and set aside for later. If you realize you're running out of oil in the pan, just add 1 or 2 more tablespoons, then throw in 1 minced medium onion. We're cooking the onion on medium heat for about 2 minutes or until it caramelizes like that. Then we're adding 2 cloves of minced garlic. We're also adding 1/2 teaspoon of minced ginger. Then we're going to cook for 30 seconds or until the garlic and ginger begin to get fragrant. Next, we're going to add some vegetables. I'm using 1 cup of broccoli and 3/4 cup of carrots. I already went ahead and chopped some spring onions, but we're only going to cook the whites of the spring onions. We'll add the green later. Season your vegetables with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Next, you're going to turn your heat all the way to high. Then we're going to cook the vegetables for 3 to 5 minutes or until they're as soft as you want them. I like water cashews in my stir fries sometimes, so I am adding some. Now this is the part where you want to be very careful because we're cooking on high heat. Things can burn very easily, so make sure you're stirring continuously. I'm going to make space in the middle, then I'm adding 2 whole eggs. I've been loving eggs in my stir fries lately, it's really good. I'm cooking the eggs for about 30 seconds, then I'm going to mix them in together with the vegetables. Next, I'm adding 14 ounces of already cooked stir-fry noodles. I picked these up from my local grocery store. And now it's time to add the cooked shrimp and the sauce we made earlier. Cooking on high heat for about a minute, we're going to toss everything together very well. Make sure the sauce gets everywhere. We don't want it to be sitting on just one side. Last, we're adding 1/2 teaspoon of sesame seed oil to add a smoky flavor to the stir fry. And we're finishing things off with some chopped spring onions. Toss everything together one last time, then this is ready to be enjoyed. The shrimp and veggie stir fry came out really good. It has amazing flavor and it's really tasty. If you guys would like to make this, check the description box. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients and measurements there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!